for takeoff, ready for Hangover the tower, ready for 85 meters. Here we go right now, all the way go! All the way up, and nothing can stop, we are all the way up, let's go! Alright guys, and for all the next riders, every person stays in front of one red line on the floor. Just follow the red line on the floor to get your own personal seat. And please secure all your loose items. Let's